Hello people. Yes. Now karon din ni sa Limkit Kai Center. Uma-attend ko sa akong mga bata nga reading of honors and recognition day. Today is special kay ngano ang host daw karon is why lain akong anak na si Rusty John. O ganina ra siya gikulba. Oh, wala siya nagpalibot. And he's here before. I remember nga recognition day muhila ka kay di ka mo sayaw. You will not dance. But now you're the host. How does it feel now?
Fine. A little bit nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I'm just nervous. First time ba yan?
But you can do it. You can do it. And you will beat me later.
No.
O siya gignan ba nga? Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge my dad. Follow the script, ganda siya. Ito ang anak, follow the script, para sa papa. This is my mentor, my instructor, no other than
Hello.
Sir Glenn Reyes. Hi sir, welcome to my vlog.
Do you have a black?
Yes, pero Bisaya lang, hindi mo ko para nimo.
Sige, mag-Bisaya ako kaya itong gusto
Wala lang, nagpasalamat lang ko, imagine, ang akong Rusty John, when he started, mga estudyante diri ulawon, walay self-confidence, tapos muhila.
Ako mag-enroll lagi sila sa Brainly.
Yes, yes. Karon host na siya, di ba? Time is so fast. Time is so fast.
Mag-hosting na siya?
Yes, siya na mag-host karon sa recognition day.
Oh yeah. Di pa na butindog na sa stage.
Ano sa'y secret sa Brainlings? Ano yung nga ng mga bata? Competitive,
One
smart.
lang. Kaya nalagin siya program na mag-develop at supportahan ng bata.
And of course,
we
akong
want
little
to
girl
believe that the whole child is the whole idea. That's why Brainlink exists.
Yes, invite them.
So enroll your kids in Brainlink starting this summer.
Correct. Alright.
Okay.
Nasa link below ang ilang Facebook sa akong pagkontak. Wala ko nagmahay, tulong ako kaanak na diri. May nalagyan ilang ka-bright sa akong asawa na liwat. Sir Glenn, my mentor, my former college instructor. Siya actually nag-ingon sa ako sa unang, kabalo ka Bernie, mag-DJ ka. Tapos, tungod kay imong tingog, dili magigingana ka, maayo nga pang DJ. Medyo nasakitan ko ato. Pero in fairness, ingon sa sakuha nga, you know, para muklik ka, kaya di makikaingon nga may mag-in-English. Di ba kaya nga naka-modulated ang tingog. So, ang imong buhaton, Bern, kailangan ka mag-create o ka ng mga gimmick nga unique, mga segment nga unique para ang mga tao makuratan. Laksa mo na siya. Kitsa mo na siya. Hantod nga kon. That's why naimbento ito akong so bitog-bitog kong Bellana, mga horoscope na ginoker, mga sapat ako mga gipambuhat sa una. So, na-Bernie bitog-bitog, daghan na dayon. Gugmang giahak. So dito nagsugod, so na unique na, and in fairness, di ba? So, because sa iya circling ways. That's why gisalig na ako akong tulo ka bata sa iyang school. Oh, here's the supportive. My supportive Lola and Lolo. Ay man. The mother is here, of course. The original valedictorian is here. So,
Kinanglan i-video ni Papa.
yes.
Ang David.
Nasad siya pa kay wala lagi daw sa na-honor tungkol sa makabayan.
Uy.
Pero best in math, best in science. Okay ra. Major subject. My airpods, of course. Kung math ang istorya, nara diri ang mga utok sa math. Nara na diri.
You know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Let all my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Oh, my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Who knows the secret to my love?
participative,
Oh, no, no, no.
responsive, diligent kid.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
go there and receive your award from your dad.
Picture. Picture to ka, mami. Mami's picture. Ay, sorry. Hold this. Picture.
Mary Jamila E. Salcedo. Rusty John V. Esparsha.
Responsive, creative, generous pupil.
Alright.
And I'll give this to Dad so that he will be the one to give it to you there.
Oh, there. Sige lang. Oh, very good. Picture.
Ken Kaiser A. Umadlao.
Thoughtful, friend.
Best in Math. Rusty John V. Esparsha.
Yes.
Rusty John will also receive the awards for
Best in Science.
Alright. Give me 5, baby.
Wow, best in science.
Si Sako na naliwat.
For the grade 5 level.
Oh, yeah.
Best in English. Marian Gisette Echeverria.
Very good, Ella. Smile ka, ma'am. Smile. Wow, very good. Oh, yeah.
Second
Third
honors.
honor. Smile.
Francis Emmanuel B. Camarnes.
Good job.
Congratulations and see you all next school year. This has been Chloe Nicole R. Mendoza. And this has been Rusty John V. Esparsha, your Masters of Ceremony.